Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to enable Best Wallet two-factor authentication. To turn on two-factor authentication on Best Wallet, first of all, open up the Best Wallet app on your mobile device and then log into your wallet. Once you're inside the home page of Best Wallet, go ahead and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Toggle on the button right next to Two-Factor Authentication and then select your country from the flag drop-down and type in your mobile number on the next field. After you type down your mobile phone number, tap on Send Verification Code. Now, enter the one-time password sent to your mobile number via SMS and type it down in the text box. This will then help you enable two-factor authentication on Best Wallet. Now, every time you log out of your wallet and try to log in again, you will need to enter the two-factor authentication code, and by that, you will be able to add an extra layer of security for your wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.